Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AMP coin price prediction and AMP coin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AMP coin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. So let's start talk about AMP coin. First mover Americas. Biden issues crypto order, inflation expectations hit record high. Bitcoin, BTC, consolidated on overnight gains after US President Joe Biden signed a crypto order early Wednesday, directing federal agencies to coordinate their efforts to draft cryptocurrency regulations. The executive order did not lay out specific positions the administration wants agencies to adopt or announce new regulations for the industry, CoinDesk's managing editor for global policy and regulation, Nicholas Shta, reported. A senior administration official did a balancing act while talking to reporters, acknowledging potential opportunities for American innovation and competitiveness that digital assets could provide, along with risks associated with the growth of the crypto sector. Some analysts were worried the long-awaited crypto order would announce stricter regulations, given the recent speculation that wealthy Russians are using digital assets to circumvent sanctions imposed by the West. However, those fears were put to rest late Tuesday, after an unintentional release of U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen's remarks on Biden's then impending crypto order said the administration would support reasonable innovation. Bitcoin picked up a bit after CoinDesk reported Yellen's comments, rising more than 7% to $42,000. While most cryptocurrencies followed suit, privacy coins like Monero, XMR, and Zcash, ZEC, backed off from Tuesday's high. Both coins surged over 25% on Tuesday, perhaps due to traders anticipating increased demand for privacy on fears of increased regulation. My best guess of what's going on, with stronger oversight confirmed, segments of the market that value privacy, for ideological or illicit reasons, will rotate away from trackable crypto assets like BTC and Ethereum. Or at least this is what traders are speculating on, Island Solid, a partner at the Tegas Capital Multi-Strategy Fund, said in an email. Traders are thinking, that other traders are thinking, that oligarchs would buy privacy coins, so they buy privacy coins. But really, no one believes that oligarchs are buying, Solid added. The second news: US inflation expectations hit record high. The market-based measures of long-term inflation expectations in the US continue to rise, offering positive cues to Bitcoin. The 10-year break-even rate, derived from the spread between conventional and inflation-adjusted Treasury yields, rose to a new record high of 2.785% on Tuesday, surpassing the previous peak reached in 2005, according to the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis. The above chart shows Bitcoin has often moved in lockstep with the 10-year break-even rate since the March 2020 crash. Bitcoin's 90-day correlation with the United States 10-year break-even inflation rate, which reflects inflation expectations, moved higher from the second quarter of 2021 onward, Babel Finance said in a 2021 crypto market review shared with CoinDesk early this week. As an asset with the same durability, exchangeability, and scarcity as gold, Bitcoin began to partially replace gold as a trading instrument to hedge against inflation in the middle of the year, Babel Finance added. Whale selling data tweeted by Blockware Solutions' William Clemente shows whales, or large investors, have been offloading coins over the past 2 weeks, and the number of coins held by these wealthy investors has dropped to the lowest since September 2021. The continued whale selling would be cause for concern for the bulls. Let's take a look at the near future of AMP coin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022: the value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP the average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.